Hi there, how you doing? My name is Ollie Pluck from the Renaissance Sanctuary, and I'm just going to talk to you briefly about the workshops page. So, what is it? Basically, we have the 4-day retreat, which is the Renaissance Sanctuary, which operates around something called the interregnum process, which is where you remove yourself from society and we basically just discover everything there is about life. We understand where you've come from, where you're at, where you're going, and we strip everything apart so you have complete crystal clear clarity on who you are, why you're here, what your mind is, how it's there to basically sabotage you, and you understand everything about your mind and your brain, and then you can learn how to meditate and work through everything, and it's phenomenal, it's groundbreaking, and it's life-changing. So what that means is we were getting email after email after email, and I can't help everyone. So what I decided to do was take it on the road and then once a month do workshops here, there, just so people could maybe reach out and do a little bit of traveling, but then they could get the respite or the knowledge or the tools to actually help them work through life. So that's where the booklet comes in. This booklet is the same booklet we go through here. It's full of tools that help you through life. We will do everything that we do at the sanctuary, but the difference is I can't help everyone. So whereas I will do the talking, you won't be expected to divulge any traumatic experiences that happen to you, but you can just listen and we'll go through everything you need to understand who you are, why you're here, who is your mind, how does your mind differ from your cognitive brain, what does it try and do. Basically, it's there to protect you, but it's actually sabotaging your life. So you'll actually find out what that little voice in your head is, and you're basically how to conquer that, how to overcome anxiety. What is depression? During COVID, I was shocked to find that every seminar I went on from the NHS to private healthcare, no one was actually saying what anxiety was. No one was saying what it was. It's like anxiety is a fear-based disease of the future. Okay, so you can't be anxious about something that's happened, so you can be fearful about it happening again, or what if it happens again? So what happens is the mind, it plants fear so that it can take control. No one tells you that. But then my job as a coach is to go, well, if someone says I've got anxiety, I'll say, well, what are you fearful of? First thing they're going to say is, well, I don't know. Who's that talking? It's the mind. So you're unaware that what your mind is saying is actually the mind talking. So my job is to give you the tools so you can understand what the mind sounds like, so that you can actually work through it and you can actually put it to one side and you can start working through self-help books, other people's self-help books, cognitively, using your brain and using the tools that you'll receive. So you get to look at meditation, how you learn to meditate, what different styles of meditation there are, breathing techniques, understanding how to process trauma. And that's the other thing. These experiences happen to us. You know, everything that we see in life, everything we feel, you know, we drink and the kidneys and liver process alcohol. Pain and trauma never leaves the body. So what do we do with that? We have to go down and we have to connect the brain back with the emotions and we have to work through them. But how do we have those tools? Because it's the mind that's blocking the pain. So you understand everything about mental health, everything there is to know about yourself. And you can ask me as a million questions as you want relating to your life, should you feel that that is something that you need. So the workshops are £250. They last for one day. And even after that day is finished, you can ask me as many questions as you want. The main thing is for me is to help other people. And if I can do that and give you the tools in one book, you know, that would make me the happiest man in the world, knowing that I can just help other people and give them the tools to work through life, which will then give them the tools to help their kids out. So whether that's meditation, core values, understanding the difference in polarity between masculine and feminine energies, we cover everything. So if you have any questions, please get in contact. Tickets will be available and I will look forward to welcoming you on those sessions. Thank you so much. Take care.